Introducing this beautiful 2007 Chrysler Town & Country Limited Edition conversion van. Offering a BraunAbility side entry, automatic fold-out ramp and kneeling system. This vehicle features a 3.8-liter V6 engine and only a little over 54,000 miles. With removable driver and passenger seats, the mobility user can position themselves in either spot, as well as in the center of the van. With a beautiful leather interior, you can cruise with the sunroof open to enjoy the beautiful sky. Also offering electronic gas and brake pedal adjustments. Regain your mobility independence and freedom with this 2007 Chrysler Town & Country Limited Edition conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.